Best farming practices for free-range poultry farming. Welcome to AgriPreneur Life. If you want healthier chickens, stronger eggs, and higher profits, then free-range poultry farming is the way to go. Today, I'll show you the best farming practices to succeed the natural way. 1. Choose the right birds. Free-range farming starts with the right birds. Choose hardy breeds that can survive outdoors. Local chickens, Broilers, Rhode Island Reds, or Plymouth Rocks. Strong birds mean less disease, lower losses, and better growth. 2. Housing that protects. Even free-range birds need a safe home. Your poultry house should be simple, dry, well-ventilated, and secure. At night, lock your birds in to protect them from rain, cold, and predators. Good housing saves lives. 3. Feeding the natural way. During the day, let your birds forage freely. They'll eat grass, insects, worms, and seeds. Support this with maize, wheat bran, soybean, or groundnut cake. And remember, clean water every single day. 4. Natural and herbal healthcare. Healthy birds don't need too many chemicals. Use natural herbs like garlic for immunity, ginger for digestion, neem leaves for parasites, and aloe vera for gut health. Nature is your cheapest vet. 5. Disease prevention. Prevention is better than treatment. Keep the poultry area clean, wash feeders and drinkers daily, and isolate sick birds immediately. Vaccinate against common diseases like Newcastle disease. One sick bird can infect the whole flock. 6. Predator control. Free-range birds face many enemies. Use wire fencing, clear bushes, and always lock birds in at night. Protecting your birds means protecting your investment. 7. Manage your range. Rotate grazing areas to avoid disease buildup. Provide shade, plant grass, and avoid muddy land. Healthy land creates healthy birds. 8. Keep records. Write everything down. Number of birds, eggs collected, feed costs, and sales. If you don't keep records, you won't know whether you're making profit or loss. 9. Market smart. Free-range poultry sells higher because people want healthy food. Brand your products as naturally raised, no chemicals, or free-range eggs. Sell to homes, hotels, and restaurants. Free-range poultry farming works best when good management, natural feeding, and disease control come together. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share with other farmers. This is AgriPreneur Life, growing healthy birds and building profitable farms.